In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise to Shopify. This process is incredibly useful for those who want to manage their finances more effectively while running an online store. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Wise with your Shopify account, facilitating smoother transactions and better financial oversight. First, you'll want to ensure that you have accounts set up on both Wise and Shopify. If you haven't yet created these accounts, take a moment to do so. Wise is a great tool for handling cross-border payments because it usually offers better rates and lower fees than traditional banks, which can be a game changer for international sales. Meanwhile, Shopify is an excellent platform for selling products online, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust set of tools. Once you have both accounts ready, start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. It's here you'll manage everything related to your online store, from inventory to payments. Look towards the left side of your screen, where you will find various options. Click on Settings. This area is like the command center for your Shopify store, where you customize everything to your liking. In the Settings section, locate and select Payments. This page controls how you receive payments on Shopify. You'll need to scroll down until you find the Alternative Payments section. This is where Wise comes into play. Click on Add Alternative Payment Methods, then you'll see a list of possible integrations. Before proceeding, ensure you have your Wise account ready. Within your Wise account, find the API key. Please remember to handle this information carefully, as it's sensitive and integral to the connection process. Once you have your API key, go back to your Shopify Payments section. Look for Wise from the options available. You might have to type in Wise to locate it. When you have successfully located Wise, you'll see a field prompting you for an API key. This is where that key you collected earlier comes into action. Enter the key carefully and make sure it's accurate. Double-check for any typos because even a small mistake can prevent the integration from working properly. After you've entered your API key, click on Activate or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. By doing this, you're authorizing Shopify to connect to your Wise account. This basically allows Shopify to use Wise for processing payments, thereby streamlining your transactions and potentially saving costs. Now that both accounts are connected, you might want to test the integration. Go ahead and try a small transaction to see if everything is working smoothly. This step is optional, but it's a great way to ensure there are no hiccups before you start receiving real orders. Testing gives you peace of mind and confidence that your setup is functioning as intended. And that's it. With these steps, you should have connected Wise to Shopify successfully. By combining these two tools, financial management for your e-commerce business becomes much simpler and more efficient. Don't hesitate to dive into the settings and explore any additional customization that might further benefit your store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your online business a little bit easier.